My name is Ramyasri. I am studying 9th class. Today my project is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to magnify small objects. Used to magnify small objects that but cannot see naked eye. It works a magnifying glass. Anton van Leeuwenhoek is invented the microscope. He was the first person to magnify microscopism to under microscope.
Where we have to see from? We have to see from this side?
Yes.
Okay, right. So how is the light? How light works?
It shows a small object to leaf, small parts of the leaf.
So here it is the light. Okay. We can see through this one?
Yes.
Right. Good project. This is a demo.
Yes.
Demo piece.